Hey, DIY, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to remove a tub cartridge safely and efficiently. If you've been struggling with a stuck cartridge or just want to tackle this DIY project without making a mess, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through everything from removing the handle to using the proper tools to get that cartridge out without damaging your plumbing. Let's get started.
Step 1. Remove the handle and trim. First, remove the handle. After that, take off the trim plate, escutcheon, behind it. Once that's off, you'll see a small retaining clip holding the cartridge in place. Go ahead and carefully pop that clip out and set it aside somewhere safe. You'll need it later. Step 2. Turn off the water. Before you touch the cartridge, turn off the water supply. If you skip this step, you're going to get soaked. So make sure the water is fully shut off before continuing. Step 3. Prepare the cartridge removal tool. If the cartridge has been in there for years, it can be very difficult to remove by hand. For this job, we're using a cartridge removal tool, available at most hardware stores like Lowe's or Home Depot. I highly recommend it. It makes the job much easier. The tool has two prongs that slide onto each side of the cartridge. Before installing it, loosen the screw at the bottom of the tool. Position the grooves of the tool onto both sides of the cartridge. Then tighten the screw so it threads into the opening inside the cartridge. This locks the tool securely onto the cartridge. Step 4. Apply pressure and extract the cartridge. Now that the tool is secured, start tightening the large nut on the tool. As you tighten it, it applies pressure and slowly pulls the cartridge outward. Eventually, you'll reach a point where you can't tighten it anymore by hand. At that point, grab a pair of channel lock pliers. Hold the tool level so it doesn't twist. Continue tightening carefully. Keeping it level is important. If it twists, it won't properly pull the cartridge out. Step 5. Remove the cartridge. After tightening, you'll notice the cartridge starting to move outward. Once it reaches the end of the tool's threads, you can usually pull it straight out by hand. Some cartridges slide out easily. Others may require a bit more effort depending on how long they've been installed and mineral buildup inside the valve body. But using this tool makes a huge difference compared to trying to pry it out manually. If this video helped you out, give it a like. Subscribe for more plumbing repair tutorials. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair.